Wanna know how to use static and final keywords in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, so let's get right into it. Now, first things first, simply open up any compiler that you like, and once you're there, we know that static means a variable that belongs to the class, not just one object. You don't need to create an object just to use static. But finals makes a variable constant, like limit. It can't change. Here we increment count. In this code, we can't change limit. Java will throw an error just like this. So this is perfect for values that should never be updated. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you use static and final keywords. You can just simply copy up this code, modify it, and run it off. It should show the results. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.